All right, Juanitosville, welcome back to Boom Jewelry Designs, Jewelry Adventures. I have a special unpackaging today that I've been excited about for a while. Now, some of us out there are fans of other jewelry channels, other jewelry designers, artists, crafts people, silversmiths, and tool makers, guys. And I got to tell you, I have a... one of my first videos when I was first getting into doing jewelry that I started watching was Robert Lopez. And I've always enjoyed his videos. I think he's artistic in the way that he presents his videos, but he's artistic in the way that he makes his art. And he is so awesome at fusing, and he's been a major inspiration to me to explore with fusing. He uses a lot of argentium, and I think that's pretty cool, the way it cracks, the way he works it. Watch his videos, guys. He is just super duper rad. And I'd like to fuse with fine silver and sterling. I do have some argentium too. But guys, look what I got, guys. And to protect the vulnerable and innocent, I crossed out the addresses on here. But you can see right there, Robert Lopez sent me. Benny Boom. Right here. So I don't know if this is identifiable information either, because I'm not that smart, but I crossed that out just to be safe. So let's have some fun, guys. Let's open this. What did I order? You guys are wondering? Well, that's why you're here. Robert Lopez. Ooh, look at the packaging on that. Dude, for real? Okay, hold on. I'm fanboying over here, guys. Look at that. Robert Lopez Titan limited edition. Can you guys see that? And look at that's debossed in there. That's in there. I'm telling you, man, this guy does not cut corners in any way. Watch this. What did I order, friends? Drum roll, please. The Titan solder pick, friends. Now let's look at my old solder pick that I got on Amazon compared to the new solder pick that I just got from Robert Lopez. Look at the craftsmanship on that, and look at the color. I'm not sure if this is titanium, tungsten, I'm not sure. But it has his signature right there, Robert Lopez, number 71. So it's official like a military missile. And look at the size of it compared to my other one. The other one, I don't like the fact that these are round right here and they roll around. So I put some like hillbilly tape on it so that it had a little edge so it wouldn't quite roll very much. But look at this with the hexagon. Is that 6? Hexagon shape. It's about the same weight, actually, as this. But this is solid, guys. Look at that. And it won't roll and burn you. Because this will roll on you, and this is hot as heck. And it rolls, and you put your hand on it. And you're like, ah, dang it. I didn't know it was there. It wasn't there a couple seconds ago. So, yeah, guys. Let's see. And a feather, bro. The feather has the same iridescence as the, look at that, guys. So huge shout out to Robert Lopez. I purchased this as a limited edition from his website. I just went to his website one day because I saw that he had posted something on Instagram, and his Instagram is right here. My Instagram is right here. Create community with each other, guys. I encourage that. But I saw that he was making these, so I went to his website, and I was fortunate there were still some in stock, these limited editions. You have to jump on it right away, guys. Just because just because you want one doesn't mean you're going to get one. So you have to be timely. And he makes a certain amount of these, and then he releases them. And I got number 71. 7 plus 1 is 8, my lucky number. So that's perfect. I got an awesome feather. I'm going to put this in my cowboy hat. Or my, I call it my Cubano cowboy hat. But yeah, guys. So this is it, friends. Robert Lopez. Oh, wait. I didn't see this. It says, a hammer may ring with a silken grace, and silver may shine in the fire's embrace, but tools alone shape nothing whole without the whispers of a driven soul. Robert Lopez. Wow. How cool, guys. Big shout out to Robert Lopez. Again, go check out his Instagram. His website is, I'll put the link in the description, and his Instagram also in the description. In fact, Robert Lopez's Instagram link is in all my descriptions of all my videos I've been doing lately, because he's one of my favorite jewelry designers and teachers, or really just like tutorials, and he's just cool. Greg Greenwood, Robert Lopez, Chad Parker, I think there's another one in there. I can't remember. But those are my favorite that I like to go watch their videos and just check on and see what they're doing. But yeah, guys. So if you guys are interested in one of these, go check them out. Let them know Benny Boom sent you. And creating community, guys. And that's what I'm all about. And that's what we're doing over here. And now I'm so excited to have my cool new solder pick. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hug your loved ones. Also in my description, guys, I have these Juanitosville coffee mugs. And look what he has, and look what he has, and look what I have. I'm like a cartoon character compared to him. But that's okay, guys. Everyone, to each their own. We're all special in our own unique ways. And that's why we are artists out here making our dreams come true. Drink plenty of water. Visit your parents, your grandparents, if you're fortunate to still have them. Take a few deep breaths throughout your day. Center yourself. You know, hippie stuff. All right, guys, I'm going to go make some jewelry and explore using my new Robert Lopez limited edition, I think titanium solder pick, guys. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. You know who it is. You know what it is. It's Benny Boom, and I'm out.